Well guys, this is gonna be a little bit dark, but never mind. So, if you don't use your laptop for a while, and most likely for a long time, you will get a message like auto repair, your Windows won't boot because most likely your battery is gone, your BIOS battery is gone, or maybe even if your BIOS battery is gone but you use laptop regularly, it's all okay, but then you stop using it for like 1 month, for example, your laptop will not boot. So anyway, my laptop is booting, so I'm going to show you. This one is Dell, so you need to know how to get BIOS in Dell. You spam F2 when you see entering the BIOS, get the BIOS. So first thing, when you got this auto repair, this is must try and it works 99%. System configuration, SATA operation. So here, because the battery is on 0, it will go as default rate. So don't look at this. So now if your laptop is in rate, right, you turn it on and it's in rate, you most likely wanna have it in AHCI. I don't know, AHCI. So you click this is gonna be your case. Okay, you get here, spam F2, go to BIOS, click AHCI, and then you will most likely have that Windows and confirm yes. But what is important, you need to apply. Okay, apply, and you have to click OK. Yes, are you sure you want to apply your changes? Yes. So once you got the AHCI, not apply, just click exit, and on another boot you should be able to boot your Windows unless your Windows is damaged, but usually it will go through. It's, I don't know, 99% it will boot. So you will be able to boot with AHCI because most of the laptops are installed in AHCI, but default is RAID on. So guys, I hope it helps. Sorry for that video. Rebooting to Windows. This one is Windows 10. Thanks for watching.